guys, it's a girl Dia, and for today's video, my whole family is going to decide my outfit for a week, and we are gonna rate their fashion sense as well. So let's see which family member of mine has the best fashion sense. So first, my dad is going to be choosing my outfit. Baba! Wow, this is criminal. Guys, this is insane. Guys, this is the first outfit my dad chose and I hate it. I don't know why he would choose this Allen t-shirt. I don't know why. I have graduated and my Allen is finished, and it has been so long since I went to this freaking coaching. Yeah, no, I don't know. I don't get it. I don't want to get it. I quit. I don't like it. But if you guys are not Indian, which I know a lot of you guys are not Indian, so you might not get this reference. This t-shirt I'm wearing, it's a brand. It's an academic coaching. Is coaching even a word in your country? I don't know, but yeah. How much I'd rate it? Probably like a 2. I'm getting so much nostalgia after wearing this t-shirt and I don't like it. Please do not remind me of that time. Thank you so much. This is the second outfit my dad chose. It's a white jumper and honestly, I like it. It's so comfortable and get lost. It's so comfortable and it's cute. My dad is a very firm believer in comfort over fashion, which I'm the total opposite of. I feel like fashion is pain and I'm really ready to sacrifice my life for fashion, like literally. But he's literally the opposite and he likes comfort. So he gave me this comfortable outfit and I'm not complaining, I like it. I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. It's cute, it's pretty cute. Welcome back, mom. Welcome back.
मम्मी इसके नीचे वाले में बहुत गंदे
नहीं मम्मी अच्छे चूज करो इन दोनों ने बहुत गंदे गंदे आउटफिट चूज किया है यू लाइक दिस ओके ओके आई लाइक दिस वन आई लाइक दिस वन टू ओके ओके नाइस ओके यू डिड अ ग्रेट जॉब गाइस शट अप लाइक I am obsessed. This is the first outfit my mom chose for me and it's so pretty, guys. Like this top, this floral top and this flowy maxi skirt. Everything about this outfit is perfect. These earrings, these lockets and these bracelets. I think it's safe to say that my mom has a really good fashion sense. I will rate it like a 9 out of 10. It's perfect. Okay, this is the fourth outfit my mom chose for me. And this is not necessarily an outfit like a fashionista diva outfit, but it's so freaking cute, you all. Like, it's so soft. I wish you guys could feel the softness of this through the screen because it's so cute. It's so freaking cute. I love this. I would give this a solid 8 out of 10. Like, it's not an outfit. I know it's not an outfit, but it's a great pajama set. I love it. No complaints. So now my sister is going to decide my outfit. So what's your game plan?
Just take out your worst outfit.
So you want me to give you my worst outfit?
Yeah.
So you don't care about the fashion sense rating at all?
No, because I know my fashion sense is a lot better than yours.
I don't think so.
What is my dress doing here then?
Your dress?
Yeah.
What dress?
What's wrong with you?
What dress? I don't know what dress she's talking about. I don't steal my younger sister's clothes. That's insane. That's insane. This is your first option?
Yeah.
I
the
like
worst
this.
one.
No, I like this outfit.
Seriously?
I love this outfit. Oh my god. Not this.
This is just like not your type.
Wait, not this one. I hate this outfit. I hate the dress. I hate this dress. Her whole game plan is to make me suffer, and I don't like that. She doesn't care about the rating.
I wanted to pick this one, but she just loves this.
I like this. I like this color. It's so summer. She doesn't like summer patterns.
I just hate summer patterns.
I like summer patterns. Also, why do you have a winter cup t-shirt on? And she is gonna judge my outfits.
Zara.
She literally just put
I
on.
couldn't find a white t-shirt, alright?
She couldn't find a white t-shirt. That's why she put on her winter cup jacket. It's her winter cup t-shirt. Oh my god. Where are you even finding these clothes from? Ew, I hate this one. Shut up. This is so bad. This is literally so bad and outdated.
She hates this a lot.
I mean, I just don't like the fit of this shorts. Ew. Now you have to choose the accessories.
The worst one, right?
No. Choosing the accessories now.
She has all the good pieces.
Of course, I have good accessories.
Where are the dumb ones?
I don't have any dumb accessories. Before you guys judge my fashion sense, these dresses are from when I was very, very young and I didn't know shit about fashion sense and I've just kept them for no reason. I don't know why. I'll donate them later, but like that was such a bad idea.
Yeah. You should be thankful that I'm not letting you wear this.
I like this though. It's so cute. It was such a fashion statement back in the days. Like anyone who owned this type of watch was such a diva. Like literally.
A diva with a Sophia princess on a watch.
Yes, obviously. Guys, this is the first outfit. I really, really love this dress. I don't know what about this I really like, but I just love this. Also, my sister told me to pair it with this necklace. Like, it's so beachy vibes. Like, it's giving so much beach. I love it. I don't know what about this aesthetic. I've never tried this aesthetic before. Thanks to my sister, I'm trying it for the first time. Also, like, the earrings are the same which I wore in the intro. And she also told me to add this purse. Like, it's my mom's purse for like the old phone. Like in the old times we used to have like those keypad wala phones, and the purse is for that.
I wanted to make it very bad, but it actually turned out really good.
Yeah, it turned out really good. I love this. Look at how amazing. I love this dress, by the way. Like usually I don't wear things like that, but I don't know, something about it, it's making me look so pretty. I think I'm going to be rating this like 7.5 out of 10. The next two outfits she chose, they are minus. Like they are not even zero, they are like in negative. And I don't even want to try them. I'm not going to try them.
You have to try them. You don't have an option.
I'm really worried about the next two outfits.
Right now my sister is trying her second outfit, but it's bad. Trust me, it is. If it turns out good like the previous one was, I'm gonna kill her. Seriously. So let's hope for the worst. Please. It's sun, like bright sun. The worst color for clothing ever.
What is this? I regret doing this video because what the hell is this? Like the necklace, it doesn't match with the aesthetic of this dress. The earrings, this bracelet thingy, I don't know. This is how long this dress is. I'm gonna rate it 0 out of 10. Let's go to the next outfit, which is worse than this one. Yeah, I don't know. I'm never gonna do this challenge again.
Oh my god! What is that?
I don't know what's going on. I have no idea what's going on. This is murder of fashion. So I have these shorts on and then this weird top and then this weird top and this belt, this necklace, these weird bangles, and I have these cute earrings and this flower clip thingy. I don't know what's going on. There's too much going on. Imagine if I go out like this. That will literally be so funny. Or maybe I should do that as a deal.
Comment down,
guys.
We need a day.
Like individually, like this necklace, individually like on a beach dress, it would be cute. And this belt is also kind of cute. This earrings are obviously cute. This flower is also cute. But overall, I hate this outfit. I hate everything about this. I'm gonna rate this minus 10 out of 10. Thank you. It's,
She didn't have any weird earrings, so I didn't have any option.
I have all of the good earrings, so
I dare you to post a picture of you like this on Instagram.
absolutely not. I have this it girl fashionista image to maintain. I'm not gonna post this at all.
That's creepy.